Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming compatibility and updates so night mode behaves predictably. Once done, open settings and enable night mode. Choose scheduled if you want it automatic. Make sure to pick sunset to sunrise or set custom times that match your bedtime. You should also turn on auto brightness and lower blue light intensity to reduce eye strain. This first step prepares the system so your display shifts gradually and won't surprise you at night. Now you refine how night mode looks and feels. Change the color temperature toward warmer tones to cut blue light. Once adjusted, lower screen brightness until text remains readable without glare. Small reductions are powerful. Make sure to test with common apps, photos, reading apps, and maps so colors stay acceptable and contrast remains clear. If an app looks too dim, tweak individual app display settings. These steps keep comfort high while preserving finish by tailoring night mode. Allow exceptions for apps that require accurate color, like photo editors, and set quick toggles for temporary overrides. Once configured, verify operation across a few evenings to ensure schedules, brightness, and color shifts are consistent. If night mode does not activate, restart your device, confirm time zone and schedule settings, and update the OS. If problems persist, reset display settings back to defaults. This typically resolves conflicts without losing your personal data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.